In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoicing and send invoices in GoHighLevel. We'll go through a detailed walkthrough to get your invoicing set up seamlessly. This will save you time and make managing your finances a lot easier. So, let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to head over to the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is the hub where all your configurations and settings can be accessed. Once you're there, locate and click on the Settings option. It's located on the left-hand panel and opens up a variety of options for you to configure. Next, click on Integrations. Integrations are crucial as they allow you to connect other services with GoHighLevel, expanding its capabilities. Here in the Integration section, type in Highlight in the search bar. This helps in quickly locating the relevant tools or services you want to integrate. When you see the option pop up, click on Manage. Managing will allow you to configure or make adjustments to how the integration behaves and what features it can access. After you've adjusted the settings to your liking, you'll need to click on Connect. This establishes a link between GoHighLevel and the service you've chosen, allowing them to communicate and work together. For this tutorial, we're going to connect to Stripe. Find Stripe on the list and click on it. Stripe is a widely used payment processing platform, perfect for handling your business transactions. It's reliable and integrates smoothly with GoHighLevel, making it an excellent choice for invoicing. With Stripe connected, return to the dashboard and click on Payments. Then proceed to click New. This is where your invoice creation starts. You'll see an option to send a one-time invoice to a customer right away. Selecting this is beneficial for quick transactions and getting paid promptly. After that, go ahead and highlight the required fields as they appear. This step ensures clarity in your invoices, making sure they're completed accurately and appear professional to your clients. You'll have another opportunity to click on New and send a one-time invoice if necessary. Be consistent with these settings to maintain uniformity in all your transactions. In the next steps, proceed by selecting an example customer name and click on it. You'll be filling in details like Add Product. It's straightforward. Choose your sale item, labeled for ease, such as Sale at 100. Finally, when everything is set and all the details filled, click Send. This action finalizes your invoice, sending it directly to your customer and letting you receive the payment hassle-free. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and sent an invoice in GoHighLevel. Remember, good invoicing is key to efficient business management, and practicing these steps will build your confidence in handling financial transactions online. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials.